Dear students, in this session, let us discuss measurements of economic development, that is, basic needs. Dissatisfied with the GNP per capita as the measure of economic development, certain economists have tried to measure it in terms of social indicators. Economists include a wide variety of items in basic needs, that is, social indicators. Social indicators are often referred to as the basic needs for development. Basic needs focuses on alleviation of poverty by providing basic human needs to the poor. Some are inputs such as nutritional standards or number of hospitals, beds or doctors per head of population, while others may be outputs corresponding to these inputs such as improvements in health in terms of infant mortality rates, sickness rates, etc. The direct provision of such basic needs as health, education, food, water, sanitation, and housing affects poverty in a shorter period and with fewer monetary resources than GNP per capita strategy, which aims at increasing productivity and incomes of the poor automatically over the long run. Basic needs leads to a higher level of productivity and income through human development in the form of educated and healthy people. The merit of social indicators is that they are concerned with ends, the ends being human development. Economic development is a means to these ends. Social indicators tells us how different countries prefer to allocate the GNP among alternate uses. Some may prefer to spend more on education and less on hospitals. Moreover, they give an idea about the presence, absence, or deficiency of certain basic needs. Hicks and Streeton consider six social indicators for basic needs. The first basic needs, health indicator, life expectancy at birth. Second basic needs, education indicator, literacy signifying primary school enrollment as percent of population. Third basic needs, food indicators, calorie supply per head. Fourth one, water supply indicators, infant mortality and percentage of population with access to potable water. Fifth one, sanitation, infant mortality and percentage of population with access to sanitation. Sixth one, housing indicator, none. Except for calorie supply per head, all other indicators are output indicators. Of this, infant mortality is both the indicator of sanitation and clean drinking water facilities because children are prone to waterborne diseases. It is also related to life expectancy at birth and nutritional deficiency among infants. Thus, the infant mortality rate measures four of the six basic needs. Limitations. There is no unanimity among economists as to the number and type of items to be included in such an index. There is a problem of assigning weights to the various items which may depend upon the social, economic, and political setup of the country. Social indicators are concerned with current welfare, and are not related to the future. The majority of the indicators are inputs and not outputs, such as education, health, etc. And lastly, they involve value judgments. Thank you.